There's something in my personality that has the desire to group things together, to collect and to organise. The trouble is, I'm better at collecting than I am at organising. I think the practical part of my brain takes over, and just because I like something doesn't mean I have a use for it. Some collections are easier to justify than others. Tools I can use, and for the most part I do. But others I'm drawn to purely for their aesthetics, like my old oil cans. There's just something about them, the different shapes and colours, the metal construction that harks back to a different time when we lubricated the machines of a less digital life. Of course they still do have a use, and I do use one, but it's hard to justify so many for practical reasons. And I think that's okay. Not everything I own has to be justified. I can just enjoy things. Maybe collecting old oil cans is strange, but then maybe I am just strange. I think another thing I struggle with is justifying space in my small workshop for things that I don't use. That's the practical part of my brain speaking again. But woodworking and making things is not just a technical endeavour. It's a creative pursuit that requires inspiration. I don't want my workspace to be sterile. It needs to be a place that sparks ideas and somewhere I want to spend time. And I've tried to make it like that, with the colour I've painted my walls, the way I've put up lights, and how I display tools. And a few oil cans can enhance that. And if I can do it using otherwise dead space, the practical part of my brain won't be too offended. And what would be even better is if I can use up some of the scraps from my messy shed.
That would do nicely.
This is a very simple project, but that is the very reason I've been putting it off. I'm a woodworker, and sometimes that label can weigh heavy on me. I just want a shelf for my workshop, and it could be as simple as screwing two pieces of wood together, maybe painting it black to match the other woodwork, and let the oil can stand out. But I always feel the pressure to overcomplicate things. Should it be made from hardwood? Have some tiers to it? Hand cut the joinery? Is it finally time to try dovetail joinery? No, it's not. But one day. I can make something nice that's also quick and easy to do, and I shouldn't feel that pressure to make it complicated. I got into making to work towards an end product and have fun along the journey, not to get hung up on the process and the techniques. Sometimes it's more important to actually just get out there and make something rather than putting it off until it can be perfect. But saying all that doesn't mean it has to be ugly. It can be embellished with a little artistic flourishes and the odd curve here and there. And this might not be perfect, but I will have achieved something that I've been putting off. And I should just learn to be happy with that as a result. For me, making is not so I can perfect the perfect hand-cut joint. It's about spending time in the workshop, tinkering, drinking tea and enjoying myself. I have enjoyed finding these old oil cans. I've enjoyed making a shelf to display them on. And now, when I get this on the wall, I'm going to enjoy being able to look at them every time I come out here. And for me, that's what it's all about. Not everything has to be perfect. Not everything has to be practical. So just get out into the workshop and do something you enjoy, whether that be perfecting the perfect joint, making something, having a tinker, or just enjoying a cup of tea. So these are things I've been collecting for years and just putting in the shed, and I've been putting off actually doing something with them. Stop by thinking it just needs to be complicated, but it doesn't. It can be simple and it can be on the wall, and I'm really pleased with them. So thank you for watching. Thanks to my patrons, and please subscribe for more videos.